What's up, guys? So today we are gonna play Don't Press the Button. And I always play this game. It was my childhood. And I keep seeing this block thing. I don't know what is that. You know what this thing is? It's funny. Look. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Alright. Oh, he has a shield. We're playing dodgeball. The hell? Get up! You mother. There's not enough people. Bro, it's not cool. Who the hell is killing me? Skeleton? No skeleton? No skeleton. I never killed the skeletons. No! Skeleton. Yes, I killed the skeleton. Bro, skeletons? Oh shoot, where's all these zombies? Bro, I keep seeing this thing. This is distracting me. Let's kill the zombies. Let's kill the skeleton. Stop killing me! Bro, skeletons are gonna win. Maybe the zombies. I feel bad for the zombies. Looks like the skeletons win. Ooh, we got pie. Yummy. What is this? Nothing? Oh, wait. I already know what the fuck! Do it. Shoot, boy. Come on. Shoot. Show me! Okay. Let's die. There we go. I didn't remember last year, bro. Alright. I hate you! come on. No! Stop! Give me that! Oh, yeah. I was the last one to join. Never mind. Oh, I love this one. Hold up, move! Move! This way. Yeah. Did I just die? Or? Yeah. Wait. Yeah. There's a bomb right there. But why am I not? Oh, yeah, loser! Ooh, 2 coins. Cool. Hey, what's next? Woo! Yeah! Alright, come on. What's happening? Yeah, I already know. Oh, no, you have to kill. It's not Christmas, okay? In December. Give me that. I swear. No! Let's see what we can get. And a ball. That's it. Let me get that one. That's why it looks like he's looking at you. I never know. Alright, oh yeah. Blue! My favorite color. Nano pink. Yeah. I'm the first! How can I? Oh, I hate this thing. Got you. Yeah, got you. Bro, this is me. Please, I wanna win. Why is someone in my area? Oh, you get 17, 18, 21, 22, 24. Yeah. I'm gonna win. Come on. Yeah! I win. Losers. I'm always the winner. Okay. What? Who's that? Bro! Who's that? Bro! Yeah, give me that! No! Yay! Yay! Yay, Roni-Orellana. That's my nickname. I don't know why it's on Roblox. Where did this skin came from? That was weird. What is this, bro? Hold on, let me leave the game and go back, bro. Okay. Are you the same area? Wait. Do I supposed to go? Oh, I didn't go over here. Oh my gosh. Where am I throwing? Okay, where am I throwing? That was weird. Green. I'm on green. Yeah, come on. I'm doing I want to set the energy. Okay, I'm tired, you guys. That's enough. Alright, guys. Like and subscribe and comment. In the next video, we're gonna play this, alright? Bye, guys.